Best flooring trends to look out for in 2023. 100 modern flooring design ideas 2023. Just keep watching. Hey everyone, and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and subscribe us, if you haven't already, to watch new videos daily. We've asked the experts for the top flooring trends you need to be aware of as we step into 2023. Whether you are building, extending, or renovating, we've got you covered. In the world of interiors, a new year brings new flooring trends, and we are here to ensure you know exactly what they are. We've asked the industry experts for their top tips and insider knowledge so that, before you start shopping around for types of flooring, you can do so fully confident that you have a good grasp on not only what styles you are likely to be presented with as you browse, but also which will best fit in with the interior scheme you have planned. From the latest colors and patterns to the way in which some of our favorite classical materials are being used in a more up-to-date way, don't start your flooring search without swatting up on our guide to what's hot underfoot. Before we get stuck into the most up-to-the-minute and stylish looks around in the world of flooring, we asked the experts whether there were any overriding themes shoppers should be on the lookout for. This should help you narrow down your selection, whether you are after wood flooring ideas or something a little more out of the ordinary. Many of the trends forecast are, perhaps predictably, based on products that are highly sustainable, as well as those that can benefit the homeowner's well-being and health. There has also been a definite move towards flooring materials that are likely to really stand the test of time, meaning there will be no need to pay out for repairs or replacements anytime soon. It seems that 2023 is going to be all about creating a sense of warmth and a more simple life vibe within our homes. When deciding on good quality popular flooring 2023, the first condition is the room. For which room is the flooring being chosen? Besides the good looks and great quality wood floors, 2023 should also be able to serve several other purposes. Heat-proof, soundproof, and durability are good examples of such purposes. In case you have a room that is prone to moisture, the flooring trends 2023 material you choose is crucial. In addition, having a pet at home, a dog for instance, is also a situation worth bearing in mind. Taking into consideration all the features of the room, it will be relatively easy to choose the proper option from Flooring Trends 2023. Laminate Flooring 2023. Several layers, when combined, create laminate flooring 2023. Fiberboard is the prime layer. The decorative coating comes next. Finally, the protective layer. Each one serves a purpose. The prime layer is for the protection of the material from being deformed. Moisture resistance is another feature of laminate flooring 2023. Special wax creates another protective layer. Waterproof polyvinyl chloride retrains the finished product from swelling when in contact with water. Therefore, you can easily use a wet cloth for cleaning the surface. Laminate flooring, 2023, usually imitates parquet, wood. This is a cheap alternative, if you want to achieve a result that will resemble the latter materials. Popular flooring 2023 tiles. Tiles are good, when it comes to maintaining their look, for a long period. However, you should be careful with this one, as it can easily burst into fire. Molds are nowhere near tiles. People who like to keep their house clean all the time will appreciate this popular flooring 2023 very much, since it doesn't collect dust and dirt on it. Moreover, the durability of this material is fit for keeping its form when being used a lot. Temperature changes is not a problem for tile flooring trends 2023. Sensitivity for ultraviolet or chemical materials is almost non-existent. Marble, parquet, and granite are the materials that people want to visually create when choosing tiles as their flooring. Linoleum flooring trends 2023. This one is ideal for rooms that require constant and frequent cleaning. It is easy to assemble linoleum flooring without any professional help or special tools. Advantages of this extremely cheap material are that it is not slippery, can keep the heat of the room, and not let it get cold inside, and, of course, it is easy to clean. Leather flooring trends 2023. Leather floors are not really made of 100% leather. The base materials are HDF and porcelain. On those two, rugged and rough leather already creates the finished product. However, we know that leather is not suitable for being walked over all the time. Therefore, the finished material is covered with special varnish. Various decorations are big parts of creating this interesting and popular flooring 2023. The result resembles an exotic animal's skin. Shades of brown give a respectable look to these flooring trends 2023. Flooring trends 2023 of stones and granite. Stone and porcelain materials for flooring are very popular among interior designers. The reason for that is that they go well with almost any interior style. Stone flooring trends 2023 create interesting and unique surface finishes. Wood floors, 2023 parquet. Hardwood floors, 2023, serve as noise and heat insulators. It is very comfortable to walk barefoot in a room which has wood flooring, 2023. Wood gives room to play with different brush types to create interesting color shades. It is yet another reason interior designers are so fascinated with wood floors, 2023. Dear viewer, thank you very much for watching the video until these seconds. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us if you haven't already, so that you receive new and distinctive videos.